Hello everyone, welcome back to the science class. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your science book, that is chapter 3, Food and Health. What is food? Food is the basic need of our life. To live on this earth's surface, to survive on this earth's surface, all living bodies need food. Food helps us to grow, give us energy and protect us from different diseases. They also keep us healthy. Now let us study what is health. Health is defined as a state of complete physical and mental fitness. When a person is physically and mentally fit, then he or she is called to stay in a good health. So children, to keep ourselves physically fit, we have to follow some factors, some processes. They are, we have to eat a balanced diet. We have to exercise regularly. Third one is, we have to maintain correct posture. And the fourth one is, we need adequate sleep and rest to keep us physically fit. So children, it is also very important to keep ourselves mentally fit. So, to keep ourselves physically fit, we have to consume healthy food, as we get all the nutrients needed by our body from the food. So, here I like to discuss what are nutrients. The substances present in food which give nourishment to our body are known as nutrients. What do you mean by nourishment? Nourishment means which give us energy, which keep us healthy and fit, which also help us to grow. So the nutrients help us to grow, to stay healthy and provide us energy. They also help us to fight with disease. So children, there are 5 types of nutrients present in our food which help us in different ways. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. In lower classes also, you have idea, you learn about these things. So first let us see carbohydrates. Children, carbohydrates are also known as energy giving food, as they provide us energy to perform our daily activities. We take carbohydrate as sugar and starch. The plants, green plants, make food in the form of sugar and they store this food for other animals as starch. Got it? Now children, we get carbohydrate from different types of food materials, or the sources of carbohydrates are cereals, sugar, potato, some kinds of fruits, etc. Now come to the second one, that is fats. Fats provide more energy than carbohydrate. They are also known as energy giving food. These fats keep our body warm. We get fat food from nuts, vegetable oils, butter, ghee, etc. Children, though fats provide more energy than carbohydrate, it is not good to take more amount of fat, as it leads to obesity, which is the cause of different diseases. Now come to the third nutrient, that is proteins. Proteins are known as body building food as they help in growth of the body, growth and development of the body. They also repair the muscles and tissues of our body. So they are known as body building food. We get protein from meat, milk, fish, egg, pulses, soybean, etc. Now the fourth nutrient is vitamins. Children, vitamins and minerals also, our body need them in small quantity. Understood? They are known as protective foods as they protect our body from disease. They fight with the germs and keep us healthy. Got it? Now children, we found vitamins in different types of fruits, leafy vegetables, eggs, fish, milk, etc. These are known as protective food as they protect our body from falling ill. Now come to the last one, that is minerals. Minerals, our body need minerals in small amount. Got it? Some important minerals which our body need are iron, potassium, iodine, etc. Yes children, from different kinds of fruits, leafy vegetables, milk, cheese, we get minerals. Okay, so children, minerals also keep our body healthy. These are the 5 different types of nutrients which help in different ways to keep us fit, to keep our body physically fit. Now, except these 5 nutrients, roughage and water, these are also 2 important things needed by our body, water and roughage. Though these are not nutrients, but these are very essential for our body. Children, first come to roughage. What is roughage? The plant parts which cannot be digested is known as roughage. And these roughage are important for us as they help in digestion. They add bulk to our food and help in the movement of food through the alimentary canal. They also help in retaining water in our body, means holding water inside our body. Now come to water. Water is most important thing needed by our body. We should drink 8 to 10 glass of water every day. What are the functions of water? Water helps in digestion and absorption of food. Second thing is that water helps in all the biological activity performed by our body. Without water, the biological activities cannot be performed by our body. Third thing is that water maintains the temperature of our body. Got it? So children, this is all about the 5 different types of nutrients and water and roughage. Children, in our next class, we will learn about these 4 factors which help us to stay fit and healthy. Got it? Till then, all of you learn what is food, what is health, and the different nutrients, their sources and their functions. Okay, so you will learn page that is 28, 29 and 30 from your next science book. Till then, bye bye and take care.